Whoa, 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 don't hit me. Look at this alley and the roads. It is a ice skating rink out here. And this is what happens when it unthaws a little bit during the day and then the temperature freezes at night. And this is what you get. Pure ice everywhere on the roads. See that glisten? Yeah.
We're gonna go for a ride and see if we can do some fishtailing.
Well, first let's see if we can back out of the alley.
So what was that? The car slid? Was that on purpose or were you?
No, not on purpose. It was just the ice carrying the LS away. Like a ship out to sea. Walking across this icy road, and we are going to watch the LS come around this corner here and see if it can make the corner without fishtailing. See what happens. A little bit of twisting and turning. Oh, she does. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't hit me. Okay, well, there you go. Whoa. Okay. Oh, clearly he's having too much fun. Ooh. Oh, all the way around, all the way around. Wow. That was awesome. So Dukes of Hazzard. So how did it handle on the ice?
Well, let me just show you what it's like from the passenger side.
Ooh.
It is just like that.
Ooh.
I am not even trying. I have spun out here before. Let's see if I can do better than that tonight.
Oh, I'm kind of scared.
Okay. Oh yeah, see, it's pretty easy to spin like that. You just go down here and you never know.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm going to put this on regular and put vehicle stability control back on.
Oh,
see? Right?
It fixes itself
Yeah, it stops.
and warns you.
Yeah. There we go. Nope. When you hear that beep, 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 that's it saying no, it will not. Cuts the power and you do not get the turn. Try it again. There we go. Nope.
Nope. It won't
So,
let you do it.
That's the thing with this car. You want to be able to spin, you can, but you got to take all the safeties off.